Hello, this is Simon Hyatt. I'm the contributing editor of Healthcare Asia magazine. Today I'm presenting the Healthcare Asia MedTech Awards, recognizing the remarkable achievements and initiatives of Asia Pacific's leading medtech companies. Today I'm joined by Simranjit Singh, CEO of Guardant Health Asia, Middle East and Africa. The company has won the Oncology Product Innovation of the Year Award for Asia in the Healthcare Asia MedTech Awards 2022. Simran, thank you so much for joining me today, and congratulations on your award win.
Thank you so much, Simon, and thank you to the Healthcare Asia team as well for this marvelous accolade.
Simran, your flagship assay, the Guardant 360 assay, is a breakthrough liquid biopsy that provides fast, accurate, and comprehensive genomic results from a simple blood draw in approximately 7 days. Can you tell us a little bit more about your achievements?
Sure. So the Guardant 360 assay is our liquid biopsy panel. It is able to provide comprehensive genomic profiling information, which is crucial for doctors to be able to make treatment decisions for their patients. Very recently, we actually was able to get regulatory approval for Guardant 360 in Japan. And this is a huge moment for us. Number one, there's a large burden of disease, and we are very excited that we'll be able to now service and serve the patient needs in Japan. But importantly, it is also a mark of approval and credibility to the test, that the regulators have now approved that test to be used widely for patients. It is now an important test that, compared to our approval in the US, is much more expanded. We've got a 74 gene coverage. We also have companion diagnostic indications for MSI high, which is important for immunotherapies. We also have a companion diagnostic indication for KRAS G12C, which is partnered with Amgen's new drug, which was previously undruggable sort of a target, which now with our test, we are able to stratify patients who will benefit from that particular drug. So ultimately, this is a huge achievement for the team and all of us here in Guardant Health.
Simran, can you walk us through your success in rolling out this product in 41 countries across Asia, the Middle East and Africa? What does this say about the company's capabilities as a leader in the industry?
We are really proud of being able to reach a large number of countries and be able to service the needs of patients, and more importantly, work very closely with the oncologists. We cannot do this on our own. So we work through our different partners, our channel partners who work with us very closely to be able to promote the test in the different countries. We have our direct sales teams, as well as business development teams, medical affairs teams, marketing teams, all of them coming together to be able to share the benefits of this test to oncologists, as well as to be able to provide educational information so that it'll be used in its right setting. I'm really also very proud that, we've been able to ride a lot of the challenges of the pandemic. And that had given us issues of access, because many of the patients, especially cancer patients, are vulnerable patients, and so we didn't want them to be coming into the hospital for unnecessary procedures, right? Because they run the risk of getting cross infections. And so what we did was we decided that we should create mobile phlebotomy services where we were able to go to the patients' homes to do a simple blood draw and to be able to then start them on therapies much quicker. And so all of this, amidst the pandemic, could not have been done without the efforts of the team.
Can you share with us some positive feedback from your KOLs across Asia? How has the Guardant 360 test helped patients?
Guardant 360 assay is for comprehensive genomic profiling in the advanced cancer setting. We've been really able to provide this product to the market in Asia, Middle East and Africa for the last 4 years. It's one that has been highly adopted by many oncologists. It is highly regarded to be able to help in terms of guiding treatment selection decisions.
What other product innovations are you currently working on, and what goals would you like to achieve in the coming years?
So we are very excited at Guardant because we think we are truly a precision oncology company. We started with advanced cancer, and that's where we have Guardant 360. It's to help guide treatment selection for oncologists. That was the biggest market need, because for advanced cancer patients, time to treatment is absolutely critical. We have moved on to look at recurrence monitoring, and we've got a new assay called Guardant Reveal for recurrence monitoring. We are able to detect 4 weeks after a surgical resection whether there is still circulating tumor DNA in the bloodstream. And this allows us to stratify whether a patient is high risk or low risk. And so we are able to then guide the doctors whether there is a need for low-dose chemotherapy for that particular patient. We also have and are very excited about moving towards early detection. And this is pre-cancer. We are talking about stage 0 or stage 1 cancers. Here, we are excited because we are able to bend mortality curves and cost curves. If we want to be able to truly impact cancer and fight against cancer, then early detection is absolutely critical. We will be able to look at, using this assay, we will be able to use not only genomic profiling, but also methylation and fragmentomics to be able to detect whether that patient is high risk for developing a particular cancer. And that would mean that that patient would be able to get interventional therapies much, much quicker. So with this, we think we can truly save patient lives.
Simran, how do you feel about the team's accomplishments, including, of course, winning recognition for the second time in the Healthcare Asia MedTech Awards?
I'm really, really humbled, really, to be leading such a effective and such a motivated team. You know, I couldn't ask for a better team. I can safely say. Everybody is driven by the passion to be able to serve patients. We keep patient centricity front and center of everything what we do. We will go the extra mile to make sure that we are serving the needs of that patient, whether it is providing them with more information, providing the doctors with more information, providing their caregivers with more information. We also look at our technology. We think we are in many aspects in liquid biopsy best in class, and we want to be able to improve consistently with new products. And so that also motivates the team because we have a huge portfolio of products that are coming out. And like I said earlier, I think we are truly a precision oncology company.
Simranjit Singh, thank you so much for your time today. Thank you so much for the important work that you do. And once again, congratulations on your award win.
Thank you so much, Simon, and thank you to the Healthcare Asia team as well.